Alright, now we can see how bad my night camera skills are. Guess we both got underglow on going, eh? You fucking shut my bike off! What I was saying is now we can see how bad this camera is at recording the fucking shit at night. At least we got underglow to make up for it, right? Yes. Underglow for days. Oh, I ran someone's shit over, motherfucker. Oh, that guy ran the red. Son of a bitch. Literally. Uh-oh, we got side ones behind us. And they're coming this way.
Yeah, it's just nice.
Do we wait? Yeah, we'll wait. And we still got the green. Hell yeah. Whoever they are, they're having a really bad time now. You know, I like it how the Sena says low battery so many times. Like, if you were to not say that so many times, you might save some fucking battery. Like, I got it the first 4 times that you're low on battery. Alright. Right, and it just cut you off right there, so I don't know what the fuck you say. Those scooters have headlights. What the fuck? I didn't know that. So did you have to program your LEDs or your underglows to do the red when you brake, or is it just
like,
or is it just coincidence kind of thing? Oh, okay. Nice. So when we get behind someone, just start flashing your brake. No, my fucking Sena died, bitch! Just gonna be my solo commentary now, and I am not funny. Fuck. Yes, I hope we go by the intersection. It's where I saw Static X. Where a lot of people see concerts, because there's a lot of concerts out here. Oh no, we're turning. So nightlife in Grand Rapids, or yeah, nightlife, bike life, whatever. Night bike life. It's kind of boring on the normal weekdays. Today is Thursday when I'm recording this. I'm hoping it actually recorded. I'm sorry, I'm hoping it's actually recording audio, because I know that my mic's been screwy the last hot minute. That sounded good. So I had mentioned it to Mac earlier, but Grand Rapids is kind of like a GTA lobby. Like, you'll have regular traffic and NPCs walking everywhere, then the occasional cool car. Okay, I see you. Oh, he didn't want none. Racing in downtown, let's go. I saw that baby pop, Si. I saw that baby pop. Let's go. She sounds mean as hell, man. One cool car, and that was all we had. I don't think he wanted to race.
He was kind of bad that room. I think his girl was like pro too.
Right.
The first he pulled a little bit, the second he did not. The third he did. And you were out. And then he's like, yeah, I'm losing. He slowed down, I popped the wheels and like,
Right. I definitely plan on coming out here on a non-work night. I gotta work tomorrow. But like on a night where I can just be out here all fucking night, I'm gonna record that night too. Preferably on a Saturday or a Friday. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, unfortunately. So maybe Saturday I'll come back out and record a video. Unfortunately, I lost someone very close to me. So my schedule might be wonky for you guys. I'm taking a little break. I'm trying to bank videos so that way I don't have to try and talk and record when I'm going through a rough time. I'm holding together like a wet napkin right now. So like I look like if you lay me out right, not lay me out. I look like I'm doing okay if you like give me time, but I'm not going to be the same. If you try to fix me right now or move me, I'm just going to fall apart. So. Next Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm not uploading anything out of respect. Got family stuff going on due to around that. I lost the closest thing I think I'll ever have to a little brother, so it's rough. I understand it's not what y'all watch me for, the depressing stuff, so I'm going to try and keep it lighthearted. I'm going to try to ride with friends as often as possible, so that way it's more fun and not just me like quietly riding and making a comment here and there, you know. Thank you. Surprised you didn't do a wheelie.